Hi, my name is Bernie and I'm a social media manager for Vision Paradox. Is email marketing an effective method? Is it really? Yes, it is. I would say it is, not in a sense if you're expecting it to work as how your socials are working, it is not. It is a different animal, I would say. I've been there on the times where it was purely email marketing, SMS marketing, to the other aspects of digital marketing, such as socials. I would say nowadays it's different.
I would say email marketing is somehow like you talking intimately. It is a more intimate conversation. If I'm to compare it, the other socials are like group conversation. You're in a group and you want them to hear you out. But in email marketing, you're talking directly to your audience. It is good. It is good. You could gain customer loyalty by showing how much you value them, by keeping them updated, by giving them some tips. They will feel valued. Always remember, it costs more to acquire new clients as compared to you making sure that you retain your client and making your client stay. And who knows, the next message that you would be sending could be forwarded to someone who could be your possible next client.